Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about the Coding Ninja's front-end skill test, that is IMDB clone. So let's first look how does the site look like. So we can search for the movies in this search bar section. Let's search for any movies. Okay, and the best thing about this site is that it shows the suggestion while you type in the search bar. Okay, and there are few functionality that the site contains. One of those is that we can add any movies to our favorite section. Here is the favorite section by clicking on this heart button. And if you want to remove any movies from this favorite section, either we can remove it from clicking again to this heart button or just clicking this delete button. So let's keep one movie at least to the favorite section. And one more thing about this site is that if you want to know more about one particular movie, you can click on this no more button on this movie card, on any movie card basically, and it will take you to the new page where you can get to know more about that particular movie. Okay, and one thing more, that is this favorite list is we are getting it from local storage, so even if we refresh the page it will still be there as we are getting the data from the local storage. Okay, so let's quickly like see the how does the JavaScript code looks like, because that is the most important part. So in the index.js, which is responsible for the home page, the JavaScript code, there are three main functions. That is, first of all is the fetch movie function. Well, fetch movie function is doing nothing. It is using this OMDB API and fetching the movie uh, whatever name that we have typed in the input search section. Okay, so it is using that value, that text, and using that text it is fetching the movie from this OMDB API. Okay, and once it has fetched the movie, it is storing the like required the data like title, poster, and etc etc. And after that, the most important function is this display suggested movie. So this function is responsible for basically like displaying the movie details, like whatever data we got from the API. Okay, so it is using this HTML uh, code in the JavaScript, and via which it is able to show the movie data in the form of uh, HTML card. Okay, and one more important function, that is this display favorite movies. So it is getting data from the local storage, and it is also showing the favorite movies in the favorite section area. Okay, again it is using this uh, HTML code in the JavaScript to make that card, and after that it is showing the um, favorite movies in that area. And if we get to the single movie page, again two important function. One is this fetch movie, which is again using OMDB API to fetch the movie details. It is using this movie ID that we had stored in the local storage, via which it is fetching the movie details. Okay, and once it has fetched the movie details, it is passing the data to this display movie details function. And in this display movie details function, it is again writing some HTML code to portray the data or to display the data. And this is how this uh, like whole JavaScript works like. Okay,